Hi, my name is Amber Price. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the Children's Hospital and the Women's Hospital at TriStar Centennial. I always wear a mask to protect you, but I'm going to take it off for the purpose of this video today. I wanted to reach out to you to give you an update on what you can expect in our hospital. COVID-19 has changed our world. It's changed your world. When you come to the hospital, we've done everything we can to preserve the normal experience that you've come to know at Centennial. When you come in on the pediatric side through our pediatric emergency room entrance, you're going to notice two separate waiting rooms. One of those is for children with respiratory symptoms, and one of those is for children without respiratory symptoms. You're also going to notice a screener table. Somebody will ask you very basic questions, make sure you have a mask, and they're going to take your temperature with a thermometer that does not touch your body. Once you walk into the hospital, you'll notice that our cafeteria is open as always, and that all the amenities that you know and are used to are still here. On the women's side, you're going to notice more changes. We're excited to announce that we're starting our full women's hospital renovation project. It begins in September, and it begins with our lobby on the first floor. Over the next 18 months, you will see a complete renovation of all women's floors in our hospital. We're excited to share with you that we're developing several birth suites, that all of our labor and delivery rooms will be updated, and all of our public spaces in the women's hospital will be renovated as well. As you come into our hospital, please look for signage and changes in where you need to go. Our OB emergency room will remain accessible. When you come in to have your baby at Centennial, you can expect to have the same experience that you had prior to the changes that we've seen with COVID-19. Your same physicians, your same nurses, and our same policies are in place. Our lactation consultants are in-house, our nursery and our NICU are open, and our visitation policies are designed to support our patients throughout their experience. Labor support has been protected. No woman has labored by herself at Centennial, and we'll continue to do everything we can to make your experience as special as we can make it. I wanted to extend a special thank you to our community. Thank you for partnering with us in keeping our staff and our patients safe. We mask for you. We ask that you mask for us. Thank you for your support.